What are your expectations for trading activities next week? Are you seeing a 3-day straight of positive gains or a decline in between?
Actually, if you look at the, I've said something about the fundamental. Let's look at the technicals now.
Okay.
For the market, we're seeing a very divergent already in the market. Tells that momentum is coming down while prices are going up. The momentum is coming down, like we say, perception or sentiment, psychology of investors is that market's at a peak now. Let's cash our profit out and see. But there's one thing in the market that is constant. Every quarter, what we call a window dressing in investment, where the fund managers, people like Mutais and all of them, like Mr. Charles, going to close their portfolio positive for the end of the quarter. Really, June 30th is the end of the quarter for the half year. Most investors or most fund managers want to close their book so that they can earn more earnings from their fund managers. For that, towards the last week, they might likely to rally the prices up, push them up to close so that in their own book, they record that market against so period. On that period, on that note, we expect this market to go up. But like I said, it will be a mixed trend. It might be on Monday positive.
Okay.
Tuesday and the other day might be green because we want to close it point, fine. But all eyes is on what? On the Q2 number. Like what we saw in Q1, where there is cash crunch, we saw numbers beating expectation. Now that cash have returned to the economy. For April, we saw a good purchasing manager index. For May, the same thing. All eyes are for workforce. So for June, it shows that business activities has come up despite this subsidy removal in the month of June. I don't believe that's going to affect company performance much at this level. It's from Q3 we start seeing impact, and also investors want to represent their portfolio in Q3. Those companies are going to push this cost to their consumers, and also those are into a service sector. This high cost we are saying inflation will hit more on what. On those that are into consumable goods or manufactured goods, there's a high that can take the price of your commodity and your buyers will start running back. That will also affect your performance at the end of the day. That means investors should try to now reposition their portfolio to service sectors where they see that you are seeing improved activities. For example, in India, we saw that the highest fleet of jets is being ordered. Tells that post COVID-19, we are seeing that airlines are coming back to business fully. That means in Nigeria, so we look at who set up people. Are we looking at the airline sector or the banking sector or insurance? I believe that service sector should be looking at this. But for the next week, because it's the end of the quarter, we expect window dressing to put the price up.
Okay, let me take some of the key points that Ambrose made mention of, and he said something about the Q2 numbers. And for the Q2 numbers, we're expecting the GDP report and also to come up. And we're also going to be looking forward to the MPC meeting that will be happening next month, seeing the acting governor of the CBN chairing that committee meeting. Now, with all of these things put in place now, let me pose my question now to Charles. Charles, what is your projection of the market for the second half of the year starting, let's say, on the first Monday in July?
Okay, that's very interesting because it's very obvious. In July, we will see, Ambrose have said it, which is very correct, a lot of window dressing. Yes, we want to dress our portfolio very well. Not even individual stockbroking firms, but even the exchange as an exchange. There are certain indices that they will review the performance. The ones that are doing well, they will remove some companies, they will bring some companies and all that. So all these will be affecting what portfolio managers will be doing. So if at the end of the day, you see that in the banking index now, they are bringing a new financial services company to that index, then portfolio managers will want to begin to take a buy order on the new ones that are coming and do a sell order for the ones that are leaving that particular index. So we are about to see a lot of repositioning, rebalancing for next month. But at the same time, again, I will always maintain that, yes, Q2 figures are coming, investors are looking at it, but you cannot use only one particular method to look at this market. And that's why I keep encouraging people, try to understand a bit of technical analysis also, because there are times when there are no fundamentals. Then the technical analysis can be used to assist not only investors, traders like ourselves, to take informed decisions when it comes to our own portfolio, our own proprietary trade. And that's why we encourage investors to look at companies, or okay, I don't want to advertise for Ambrose, but look at the kind of services he offers to the trading community in terms of them understanding the usage of technical analysis in taking informed decision. So you have to combine, and that's why I keep talking about knowledge at any point in time in the market.
Wow.
It will go a long way for investors to understand the market and trade safely in the market, no matter the volatility.